morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Jumper's Lockpicking. I'm going to be attempting to open my first Mul-T-Lock. I don't know if that's a number or not. I never had a key for this. I know it's not one of those newer ones, the interactive or whatever. It's never been taken apart. And I did pick it once, and I'm feeling so good. I've never, ever picked a Mul-T-Lock before. So we're going to try to get this on film. Please, this will be a good one for me. All right. I'm going to be using my Sparrows kit. I wish I had something a little bit longer than these flags. Particularly don't like, I'm not going to say I don't like them, but I just wish I had the those other ones. I can't even think of the name of one, but let's just get to picking and I'll shut up. I'm going to be starting with a right-hand flag, and let's see what we can do. Okay, I gotta click on. I'm not even going to talk because I'm too excited to open this again. I'll be here all day if I open my mouth. Maybe I'll just call out every once in a while. Okay, I know I got to double click there. I'm not sure. I think the last time I just got to click. Tension on this is a secret. It's very light tension. And I don't know what I'm doing with Mul-T-Locks. I'll be honest with you. I just want to open it. Even if I open it, I don't even know. I'm stuck. Lighten up my tension. Come on. There you go. At least with the Mul-T-Lock, I marked them, so I know where the flag is at. What was I saying? Even if I open it, I don't know if I can get it. I'm going to do the best I can. Never gutted one before. Come on, I keep on getting hung up on two or... Yeah, no, that teeny movement in the core, I felt something. Not much. At the beginning here. I know I have to go higher. Okay, that was two. Two, three. I think that was four. I believe there's only four pins in this. I'm not sure if there's any pin in pins yet. At least I know what those are. Be nice to have somebody sit down and instruct me. Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah. Okay, that was a great turn on the core. Okay, I'm coming back out. I'm on one. Okay, I think one is one of those kind of counter rotation pin and pins. And try the inside. The outside, excuse me. Yep. Very, very smart. I didn't mean to say that. Very, very cool. I called that one right, I think. Okay, and I just got another turn on the core. I'm still think I'm going to make a long video, I'm not sure. But I'm not giving up. I get so excited I put more tension on it, I need to turn this here, make sure this is the one camera. You know, we all get excited when you add more tension on it. I keep forgetting about that. Let's see if there's anything on the sides. I don't know if you call that a good false set, but it's a false set. I should have gave this some time because my arm's hurting. I was there for a while the first time. I think I got a good start. Maybe there's more than one of those. Like, oh, not now, please. I'm stuck. Might nipple a little bit. I've not gotten stuck like this before. I think it's been a side pin. I'm trapped in between. Let me see if I can add another pick to it and get myself out. Man, stop going over there. There we go. Oh, saved. Okay, I think this is 3. Got counter rotation, I think. Not pushing it. That was 1. Look at that. Nice. Please. All right. All right. Better false. Great false set. I think I got very close now. So excited to do this for Stocklocksunday. There we go! Whoa! Oh my God. Oh, life is so good. My first Mul-T-Lock picked on camera. I have picked a couple of them before. What am I kidding? I've gotten real close. Okay, no lies. But this is my first. I got it on camera. Let's gut it. And if I mess it up, I mess it up. I don't know nothing Oops, I'm not going to lock it up. I don't have a key. Yippee-yi-yay, mudda. Yeah. I don't know if you're supposed to shim these. Tailpiece. Let me angle it down a little bit more. Too important to miss something. I am going to. And if you're laughing at me, I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to. Okay. Cross your fingers. Okay. There is, as far as the side pin, check that out there. Number 1 has nothing in it. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what I'm doing again. Come on. That's 3, 2, 3. Come on. Let's try the last one. Okay, and 3. All right, those are the side pins. There, look at that. We got 1 pin and pin. I'm going to put the pin and pins on the top because I am a confused person putting a lock together. Okay, that's 1. 2. What is that? 3. 4. Okay, I see. It's just a cap on the back, like this one here. All right. I'm so excited. You can see number 1's got undercut in it. I think 1's the only one undercut. I'm not sure why this number 1 is missing. But now I got it apart, I'll try to put a key back together or together for it. Let's see what we got on top here. I hope I can get this back together. Stop laughing. It's my first one. Okay, I'm going to put them on the top here. I'm not even sure where the pins are right now. There we go. Number 1. Weird looking. Very strange looking. Nice big spring. Number 2 is a pin and pin. They're all pin and pin so far. Or am I saying it right? Is it? I don't know. I'm sure you guys will correct me. That's okay. I opened it. Okay, next one. A nice barrel pin. Go from the other side. Life's good. Okay. I believe that is it. Get my little flashlight. Nothing I don't know. Let me look for myself. I guess I don't see any modifications to it. Put that back. Let me show you what I got. Zoom. Zoom. Okay, these are like the side pins. I'm going to see if I got another one to put in there. So I guess maybe this was someone's lock that was sent to me. I never had a key before. I got a couple of keys that I've acquired from buying on eBay. Bottom pins, let's just take it one by one, is a very nice pin and pin with a couple of serrations in it. You can see pin there. Number 2 is a nice, I guess it's just serrated pin, and it is a pin and pin too. Or actually it's not. It just has a really deep dent in it with a nice serration. Yeah. That's the bottom of it. It's like a cap, I guess. Makes it a serration. And again, it's just got a deep hole in it. I'll have to work on putting that back together. Okay. Glass pin is same thing. Little cap fell off, which makes it a nice, really serrated pin. Let me see if I can just stick it back real quick. I'm not going to try. Anyway, that's the bottom of the pin there. Nice serrated pin. Top pins. Nice barrel pin. Very, very nice. We have another one here. It looks like a standard. Inside pin has got a serration on it. I didn't check the inside of the. Okay, this is just a nice serrated pin. Same thing. It's got a little teeny hole in it. I don't know what that is supposed to be for. Oh wait, that's the bottom pin. I'm so sorry. So excited. All right, where are we at? Got a nice spool in 3. Move this up a little bit, sorry. And the last pin is another spool. So 4-pinner, excellent lock for me to train on. I am excited. Thank you for letting me, or myself I'm talking to right now, get it open on camera. Thanks for coming and watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And please don't put your pics in anyone else's lock unless you have explicit permission. That's good. 19 minutes. Woo! I'll see y'all.